Welcome to Whispered Nights, a calm space where rest feels safe and effortless. You arrive at a quiet cabin as night settles gently around the land. There is no rush in the air, no urgency in your steps. The world feels slower here, as if time has decided to move at its own calm pace. The cabin stands steady ahead of you, simple and grounded, resting peacefully in the darkness. A single lantern glows near the door, its warm light soft and welcoming, cutting gently through the night. As you step closer, the lantern light becomes clearer. It does not shine brightly or sharply. Instead, it glows with patience, spreading warmth in a small, comfortable circle. The darkness around it remains calm and harmless. Nothing hides there, nothing waits. The night simply exists, quiet and still, allowing the light to do its gentle work. You pause for a moment, feeling the ground beneath your feet firm and reliable. The cabin feels safe before you even enter. The lantern's glow reassures you without asking for attention. It flickers slowly, as if breathing, steady and unbothered by the surrounding night. You feel your body respond naturally, shoulders easing, breath slowing without effort. You reach the door and open it softly. The lantern light follows you inside, spilling gently across the wooden floor. As the door closes behind you, the outside world fades into distance. The cabin holds the light carefully, allowing it to fill the space without overwhelming it. Inside, the air feels balanced and calm, neither warm nor cold, simply comfortable. The walls are made of wood, smooth and quiet, absorbing sound and movement. The lantern sits nearby, its glow reflecting softly across the room. Shadows form slowly and gently, never sharp, never threatening. They move only when the light flickers, and even then they remain soft and familiar. You take a slow breath in. The air feels clean and settled. As you breathe out, tension leaves your body in small, unnoticed pieces. There is nothing here that needs your attention, nothing to fix, nothing to prepare. The cabin is already ready for you. The lantern continues its gentle rhythm, light rising and falling slightly with each flicker. It feels steady and reliable, like something that has been here for a long time and will remain without effort. The room stays quiet, holding space for rest. Your body understands this immediately. You move deeper into the cabin, feeling supported by the stillness around you. The floor remains solid beneath you. The walls stay firm and unmoving. The lantern light follows naturally, never forcing your focus, simply existing nearby. Your breathing becomes slower, more even, matching the calm of the space. Outside, the night remains distant and quiet. Inside, the cabin feels like a small island of warmth and stability. The lantern marks the center of this calm, reminding you that you are safe, protected, and allowed to rest. Nothing pulls at you, nothing interrupts you. This moment belongs to you. Your awareness begins to soften, sounds fade into quiet, thoughts slow and lose their urgency. The lantern light continues to glow, patient and gentle, as the cabin settles fully around you. Rest begins naturally, without instruction or effort, as you remain comfortably inside this calm, steady space. Time no longer feels important inside the cabin. The lantern light continues to glow steadily, unchanged by passing moments. Its warmth fills the room evenly, touching wood and air alike without demand. The flicker is slow and predictable, never surprising, never sharp. It becomes part of the stillness rather than standing apart from it. You find yourself resting comfortably, supported by the quiet around you. Your body feels heavier now, settled and relaxed. Muscles release one by one, letting go of effort without resistance. Your hands feel warm and loose. Your jaw softens. Even your breathing feels lighter, flowing smoothly in a natural rhythm. The lantern remains nearby, a calm presence rather than a focal point. You do not need to watch it. You do not need to follow its movement. It exists whether you notice it or not, steady and reliable. The cabin responds with equal calm, holding its shape, unmoving and strong. Shadows shift slowly across the walls as the light flickers. They do not distract or disturb. They move gently, like quiet companions, reminding you that everything here is alive in a peaceful way. Nothing changes suddenly. Nothing demands attention. The space feels predictable and safe. Thoughts begin to appear less often now. When they do, they pass through gently, like a breeze that never lingers. There is no need to hold on to them. The cabin does not ask you to think. The lantern does not ask you to stay alert. Rest is the only natural response here. Outside the cabin, the night continues on its own path, unnoticed and unimportant. Inside, the lantern light creates a small world where nothing reaches you. The contrast deepens your sense of comfort. You are separated from movement, noise, and distance. Everything you need exists within this quiet room. Your breathing slows further, becoming automatic and effortless. Each inhale feels smooth. Each exhale releases weight you no longer need. Sensations blur gently at the edges of awareness, becoming softer and less defined. The lantern's glow blends into the darkness, and the darkness welcomes it without conflict. Awareness begins to drift. You are no longer tracking time or space. The cabin feels like the only place that exists. The lantern feels eternal, as if it has always been glowing and will continue without change. You feel supported from every direction, held gently in stillness. Eventually, even listening becomes unnecessary. The quiet deepens, wrapping around you without pressure. Your body understands exactly what to do next. Rest settles fully, naturally, without effort or intention. The lantern light remains, steady and calm, as you drift comfortably toward sleep. Nothing else is required now. There is nowhere to go and nothing to do. The cabin holds its shape, the lantern holds its glow, and you are free to rest deeply, safely, and completely, drifting onward at your own pace, carried gently into sleep by warmth, stillness, and quiet light.